ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Okay, I know this isn't really a bad idea, but...
Probably when I come back. I got the money. Well, I don't really spend my money.
Guy, extra noses pants is on
I just want to spend my money yesterday!
Ain't your money?
Oh, I just wanted to go out to eat like twice in like a sitting. You guys are fat, right?
Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me too. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's not deal with the shotgun.
Oh my
Good
god.
job, kid.
Jeez.
Let's go.
What happened?
Could be misfire.
Oh my god! Oh my god!